welcome to our Team 6. Our project is electricity fans, and there have Zefeng and me representing. We can turn to the next page. Here is our team rules. Zefeng will take charge of the programming, coding wise, and notification. And you will be a reporter, take photo, recording video, and show wiring of the program, and building the fan and design the enclosure. And we spent a couple of days thinking about what we're going to work on our final project. And finally, we thought the electricity fan is a great idea to do it, since one of our good member is electricity engineer and one of our is soft engineer. Both of us can work together to make this happen. But here we have some problem that people meet. The people may know that surrounding temperature is so hot, but nowadays most of our electricity fan will not actually based on the surrounding area, and some of older don't want to using the air conditioner. Our purpose in doing this project is to creating something which is closing to our life, can be applying or using by ourselves. When we are young, in that we do not have such an air conditioner to closing the temperature and outside of the door, or we will have this a fan, and this is a mandatory fan instead of the electricity fan. Therefore, we have to spending our human power to make us fresh. Now, electricity is quite practical so that we can sit there and enjoy it long. Turn to the next page. And here is our solution. We are trying to connecting between the fan and the temperature sensor, and basing on the project 3, the temperature sensor is feature for the computer, and the humidity sensor can checking the humidity activity. When the temperature is high at 85 degrees, and the file will also going faster. Next page. And we're using the coding to control the. Okay, good.
Let me go back to the previous page. Yeah, go ahead.
And we're using the coding to control the fan power and then humidity fashion. Of course, the RGB light may be also considered to be used in this program. We're using the Arduino to code about the sensor using the switch case. Also, in our group has a research electricity fan. It shows that demanding for electricity fan is still a popular trend. The dimension for the United States home fan marketing was valued at like around 400 million in 2015, and expect to reach 415 million in 2021. So the electricity fan may not be as powerful as the electricity fan in the market. However, it is still satisfied with the measures of the requirement for the electricity fan. So many of all people will prefer to using the electricity fan instead of the air conditioner. Below, I'm showing the code for our electricity fan. Okay, next page. Here is our coding. According to the people requirement, we need to add the temperatures, and we set up the 3 level, low, medium, high. And when the temperature sensor, the data is going up, and our power you can see in the medium, we also set it the fast and lower simple, then we can check in the temperature. And the last, on the right side page, we set up the power when the temperature is high enough, we will turn it the full power. And that's it. Can you touch the next page? And here is one of the theories in the relative humanity. We're using the DHT11. This means the relative humanity. The relative humanity is the amount of the water volume in the air and between the saturation point of the water and the water in the air. At this saturation point, water volume start to the condenser and accumulated on surface forming day. The saturation point charged with the air temperature. Cold air can hold less water vapor before it becomes centered, and hot air can hold more water when between the becomes centered. The formula is to calculate the relative humidity is shown below. And the speed of the spring can be constrained by surrounding temperature, and as the temperature is higher, the speed also is going higher. Go to the next page.
This page is going to be our human factor. As you can see from the left-hand side picture, it's not comfort to use. Like you see, electron fan blade is hard to use without standard. So I fit the fan blade into this standard, and also the connection between the cable and the battery right here. It's not connection tightly, so I might be using the tape to like wrap it up, so it will have a good connection. And so here is a question regarding how many people use this electric fan, and we're showing the amount of people still willing to use the electric fan. Even like people also have many different choice, like air condition. And here is two survey regarding the feature of electric fan people like most, or what kind of feature they would like to add. So the purpose of doing this is to get some advice from the customers to improve our project. So we can see like most people like the remote control, and they want they do want more function for the electron fan. So this one is like same like the last slide. Like as people prefer to do the manual or automatic electron fan. So we might get some more feedback from the customer to show on our project. So here's a flow chart of our plan we made at the beginning. So once we have this like project, we can follow this chart line. So be on the right track and finish the project on time. So we basically come out the plan, and then prepare for all the materials we need, and then start to assemble the design, and then we also assemble all the portion of the stuff to be the whole project. And we do the test at the end and see how the project works. And now here's current chart for this project, and the overall timeline for this project is 1 month. And we tightly follow this timeline, like in order to finish on time. Even though a few like activity didn't meet the like plan, but we still can catch up the progress on the next day. like some of like activity we plan like 7 days, but actually we use 6 days because like some of our previous activity we can like meet the plan. So yeah. So here's a purchase list. We didn't buy so much stuff because every materials we need in this project can be found in the Arduino kit. So yeah. So here's a video of actual project we did, and let me play this video. So here's a video about the actual project, and once battery get connected, the fan blade starts spinning on the right here. So we can see the Arduino programs start to detect the surrounding temperature, and spinning speed will be get affected based on the surrounding temperature. And as the temperature get higher, the spin speed get faster, otherwise slower. Yeah. So, here comes conclusion. So this project basically covers the use of temperature detector and battery connection with cables. And we also cover the Arduino tutorial and apply what we learned into our final project. And we kind of proud of the effect we made on this project, and hopefully this project is like can get everyone's attention. So yeah. So we hope our product can like attract the attention and also the customers. And this design is very green and environmental friendly. All right, so all right, here comes in, and hope everyone enjoying this presentation.